Welcome back to another quick video. I haven't done this for a while, living in Asia for years. I'd always go to shops and sometimes I'd just be fascinated by the quality of some chilies. It escapes my mind what variety they are, but I know this is going to hit home. Everybody's into Kashmiri chili powder, aren't they? So these are whole Kashmiri chilies, and what I do, always remember doing this. So you open the packet with a pair of scissors onto a newspaper. Can make a bit of a mess, and as we know, we use Kashmiri chilies or Kashmiri chili powder for their low heat and really red, almost like a paprika red with a little bit of spice. So all I do is cut the top off because you've got that woody part, and I make sure all the seeds are out. If you want your chili powder hotter, leave some of the seeds in. It's that simple. So it's a little bit of a laborious task, but I always love homemade things, and I know you can quite easily go over the shop and buy a packet for 69, £1.20, whatever. So there you end up with your red part. All the white parts, there's a little bit of I don't know what's it called, is it a stigma, the membrane if you like. So this is how you're going to get the reddest, most subtlest, brightest chili powder. And once you've got to make sure they're all totally dried. So I mean, that one, see how light it is, that's really much darker. So I omit anything that's really light, and you get into the swing of it. Somebody would say, oh, you're mad doing all that, but it's fine because I'm going to have some really, really great handmade, homemade Kashmiri chili powder. And once you've got a nice blending pot full of them, blend them into a really fluffy powder. And if they're a little bit damp, just put them in the oven for a preheated oven for 5 minutes. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed that. Thank you very much for watching.